morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Second trading day of the year. Got some developments developing. And, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get this bread. Jays, good morning, family. I appreciate the like. I already see the likes. Okay. Alright, so Nvidia is pushing 140 this morning. Oh, I just realized today is Friday. Skittles, good morning, good morning. Black and Wild, good morning. So just a heads up, we got some data in about 30 minutes. It's a red folder data, so it's expected to move things a little bit more. So yeah, just wanted to put that on y'all's radar. Let's actually take a quick look. Yeah, we got ISM manufacturing and manufacturing prices. So here, let's drop down to our I want to kind of watch on the 1 hour chart right now. Higher Big Crew, good morning, family. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, so we got this morning we had the Dixie selling off a little bit. So that's like kind of little bullish for the day. I kind of expect this downtrend to continue for kind of the beginning of the year, but Randy, Tesla is going down today if it doesn't break resistance above 381. So yeah, I kind of agree. So so looking at Tesla and kind of what I see on the 1 hour chart, I would actually kind of look for Tesla to, okay, you could kind of call that a range. Yeah, actually, okay, so Tesla would either need to, here, let me see, either need to sweep this right here, or it already, Nvidia is kind of going off, kind of going up and off to kind of do its thing. But yeah, Tesla would either need to sweep that up there and then come down, or this needed to be swept over here and then it's ready to come down. So yeah, I got eyes on Tesla. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, Nvidia is kind of popping off. Yeah, let's see kind of how it goes. I want to watch Nvidia on a lower time frame, like on a really, really low time frame. I guess that's this. Actually, I might be able to get second. No, I'm not gonna watch Nvidia on the seconds. But yeah, I just want to see when Nvidia turns around. All right. Is this a trap? So it's a Friday, so honestly, today is a trap in my opinion. But we do have some data in like 27 minutes, so we'll have to see. Let's see. Jello, good morning. Yoko's Lair, good morning. Lucky J, good morning. Happy Friday, yeah. It's kind of wild. It's our first Friday of the year. Drop that one in there for you, Lucky J. Hey, Matthew, good. Hey, Matthew and good people. Happy Friday. Let's make some money today. I have a coworker. I want to. Hey, it's all good when you got a reason. Good morning, Philip. Waiting for that Yes. Hey, way to have your eyes on the catalyst. Andy, good morning. Good morning. Hey, be sure to drop a like as you're dropping through, family. All right, let's see. So yeah, we're starting off today pretty good. SPY is yesterday we kind of faked out above this trend line too, but let's see if we can get to the top of the range, which is going to be right here at 592. Andy, good morning. Swift 22nd, good morning. I was thinking about a Tesla call today after seeing that data, what the data tells us at 10. It just got another price. Oh, did it? As of right now, I'm still kind of bearish on it, but I would like to see kind of how we react at this 386 level, and then also if it wants to come up to this area up here. Also interested in seeing how that kind of plays out as well. Let's see. Yeah, potential big boy rebound. You know how they do on Fridays. Yeah, we'll have to see. Oh, Intel's kind of making a move. That's a good move for Intel. Rich, morning. Been a minute. Took a little break. Hey, take all the breaks you need, family. You know this game is not for the faint of heart. So yeah, definitely like when you need a break, take it. Kendra, good morning. Higher Big Crew once again. Good morning. Good morning. All right, yeah, let's see how we're doing. I'm still in this call on IWM. I am down on it. Yeah, I'm down like 36% on it. I might reevaluate that. Here, let me go back real quick. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. King Mano, good morning. All right. So yeah, as of right now, we'll call that. Yeah, we'll have to see with Tesla. What was I about to look at? I was about to look at something. All right, so actually, I'm noticing Qs right here. I think they're approaching where I had my resistance. Let me go up to a 1 hour. Did I have my resistance up here? I think I might have had my resistance at like right here. So yeah, they might be a resistance on the Qs. And then also if you look at this trend line, so yeah, we'll kind of watch the Qs for a potential reversal. Frank, Grand Rising, good morning. All right, Tesla's going for it again. Potential good area for a reversal. Here, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm going to actually here. Where's the RSI? All right. So here, I'm gonna sell out of my IWM right here, taking a loss. So this wasn't resistance. This is like with Tesla, this is a potential sweep of liquidity. Really just want to see how it responds here. So we'll watch it on a 15-minute. But yeah, that's a potential good area for a reversal. Also want to see how the Qs do right here. So we either have a good breakout here or we got a good area to short. Just really want to see how it does right here. We got the Dixie kind of coming down. What about SPY? So the SPY broke the trend line on the 1 hour. Let's go to a 15. See how this candle closes. But yeah, the top of the range, the next level from here would probably be about 191. Top of the range on the SPY is 592 from here. Kind of eyeing Tesla a little bit right now just to see how it responds here. I'm hoping we get some kind of downward play, but we'll see. I think I'm going to go for it with Tesla. I might regret it, but I'm going to go for it. All right, so I just took a short. I took a 375 put. I grabbed a daily. I'm kind of being reckless. And I paid, oh, I didn't get filled yet. They're definitely trying to run the price up on those. Of course. Hold up. That's so annoying. All right. So I got filled at 85. I would be up on, yeah, I got in right there, but I would be up had I got filled where I was trying to get filled. But yeah, we'll see kind of what happens here. This looks like it could be a sweep of liquidity, so hoping for Tesla to make a quick move to at least like kind of test down here. But if it doesn't move quick enough, I'm gonna just have to cut out. All right, so let me update the family real quick on that I cut out on IWM. Waiting for Palantir to break resistance. I'll see you as long as you got a plan. What was it? Took a L on IWM. All right, so Tesla, it's not doing much. Let's see. Okay, so the Qs look like it's trying to break. Once again, we'll see how Tesla does right here. Let's see. Dixie coming down a little bit. First 15 minutes ends in like 15 seconds. And then what was it? What was I looking for? We got some data coming in about 15 minutes as well. All right, so let's see how this candle is with Tesla. If it ends up pushing a lot higher than that, hey, I'm gonna have to close it out. But if it but if it ends up respecting, staying below, I'm gonna try to ride it. All right, good morning, Matt. Hope you have a profitable day today, and everybody else. Yo, Matt, do you just trade for income, and how do you? No, I don't just trade for income. I have like a good amount of other sources of income as well. I'd probably say I have at least 5. Yeah, at least 5. All of them are online. I would say this is my first year without, or actually last year was my first full year without having a W-2. But as for trading, I don't make anything like crazy. It's like I definitely couldn't just live off trading. So I would say it's going to depend on how much you make. But let's say if my expenses, let's say if I were able to have expenses of like 1,500 or so, I could make it trading. But right now I still need to like grow my accounts first to kind of do that comfortably. Master DRC, good morning. Yeah, bro, Tesla might hold up. The entry was a little poop. Yeah, it might be. As of right now, I'm still not convinced though. Yeah, let's also take a look. Yeah, so RSI is up here in the oversold region. I mean, that doesn't, on its own, that doesn't mean anything, but it's still looking like it could be a sweep of liquidity. So I'm not scared yet. Because it's like, even if you look at yesterday when you got the little breakout like this, break of the trend line, we came down and we came down hard. And then also, like, some things it has going for it, like the Qs was doing the same thing. And now we got our sell off on Tesla. Let's see. Let's take a look, see how that Tesla's doing. I mean, it's probably not anything crazy, but all right, so the Tesla puts up 11%. Yeah, so we got our little reversal going on right here. right, green today, baby. Let's go. Yeah, the stock market is looking green. I hope Tesla is very red today, but we'll see. All right, 73 watching, only 6 thumbs up. Oh, that's a terrible ratio. Let's go, folks. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, 85 people on. Hey, good morning. How you doing? Uh, yo, if you haven't noticed, there is just below the video, there's a little button that looks like a thumbs up, and it really enjoys when you like take your little cursor, or if you're on your if you happen to be on a phone or mobile device, tablet, anything like that, and enjoys when you just kind of like, if you don't have a mouse, take your finger, or if you have a mouse, hover the cursor over and just click on it. Yo, it really likes that. It will really appreciate that. Okay, Snap shot up today. Were you the one that was talking about Snap yesterday? Here, I don't need to look at Russell right now. We can take a look at those over here. So yeah, let's check out Snap, and then I see someone talking about Serve. Still got my eye on Tesla though. Okay, it's acting like it's trying to hold up. We're trying to see. So yeah, Snap. Yeah, that's a good move for Snap. Yeah, it's like 6%. Is there a reason for it? Snap price target maintained with $16 per share. Interesting. I don't know enough about why it moves. I mean, there is a gap down to 1142. But yeah, I don't know enough about why it moves. And when you say, have you heard of Serve? I've heard of it here. I don't know enough about it specifically, but it's like, yeah, I've heard of it. Oh, and good morning, D community. Yeah, right now Serve has like a good little ranging going on. Good little trend I can see. Something like that. Yeah, there we go. Serve looks cool. Looks like a good one to scoop up on a dip. All right, so we got the S&P kind of coming back down below that trend line. We got the Qs coming back down. Once again, we'll kind of see how this plays out. We do have some data once again in 8 minutes, so be on the lookout as well. Let's go. Let's get that money. Yes, let's get that money. Let's get that bread. Okay. Sharina, good morning. Question: how long did it take you to feel confident in trading and see consistent gains? Feeling confident. I don't know. So, honestly, there are times I don't feel confident, but it's like, I'm going to say the majority of the time I feel confident, sometimes even when I shouldn't. But I feel like my confidence comes from like not only trading, but it's going to be the other things that I'm doing in my life as well. It's like the more you do something, the more confidence you have that you're building. So it's like, first off, the more you chart, the more you practice, like say even like 15 minutes, 30 minutes a day of like, drawing trend lines, drawing support and resistance, like just going through, looking at your stocks, drawing your supply and demand zones, things like that. The more you're able to kind of do that and then see, how did the market react at those levels this week? It kind of builds confidence. So it's not something that necessarily takes a certain amount of time, but if you think, hey, if I do this many times, like 100 times or 1,000 times or whatever, typically the more you do something, the more confident you are. Kind of like rehearsing for, I don't know, practicing for a sport or if you're more theatrical or rehearsing for a play or anything like that. So it's like the more you do it, the more confident you'll be. And then it's like throughout all those times, it's like sometimes, you're going to see, oh, nothing happened at this level. But then, like, as you're doing it, you're going to be like, oh, dang, it actually looks like I'm getting a reaction at this level. And yeah, you'll start to build confidence after you see the things that you expect to happen start happening. And you can start to recognize those patterns. GVO. Oh yeah, I had taken a look at that this morning. Skittles. I saw I was up like 33, so I don't know what you were up. Let's get a quick GVO check on the portfolio. I don't even know what that was looking like. How we doing on GVO? Oh yeah, I'm up 38%. Shout out to Skittles, paying the family. Started watching your Moomoo videos yesterday on options. Hit like already. Hey, appreciate you, family. Oh yeah. Get on with the paper trading. Definitely a great way to practice. I wish I had paper traded before I traded actual money. Honestly, I wish there was a lot of things I understood before trading options, but hey, hindsight's 2020. One more KULR. So I see a lot of people talking about that one. I feel like we end up checking that one like once a day on here. So right now it's kind of got a little downtrend going for it. Okay, what's Tesla doing right now? I don't know what the market's doing right now. I don't know if it's going to hold up, if it's going to come down. They're playing with us. Let's see. We might get a little bit more of an idea after we get this data. Honestly, this one makes it seem like it wants to break out right now. I would kind of say that's its trend. But yeah, it looks like it may be breaking out. Oh, I think it's kind of at the level that I was saying or it's a little below where I said it would be the next place I considered buying it at. But yeah. Long term, I still see it pulling back to 150 at some point, but yeah, this is a decent level on it. Tom, I missed the question. Hey, I don't even remember what the question was because I kind of go through a lot of questions, but hey, I believe replay mode is turned on, so you could always go back. Got you, my guy. I liked it. Appreciate you, Vincent. Besides Google and Microsoft Serve is my heaviest. Interesting. I always love hearing like what y'all are convicted about because it's like y'all know stuff. Y'all know stuff. Oh, I guess I had that on the bottom of my list anyway. All right, Tesla looks like it kind of wants to go up. Yeah. Looks like I'm gonna have to take my L. Yeah, 0 DTE. I'm not trying to sit here and just lose it all. But yeah, that looks like I'm getting got. So yeah, took my L on Tesla, sold out for 46. Did not play out my way. But I want y'all to see I did have an opportunity to sell down here. So like I was at 10% at one point. So it's like there is always an opportunity, or not always, but most of the time there's an opportunity to take profit. All right. So yeah, Tesla did not go my way. Looks like starting off the year I'm kind of 0-2. But some other things I'm seeing right now, or actually I'm not 0-2. I think I took profit on something yesterday. Can't remember what it was, but I know there was something I took profit on. I feel like it was a stock or something though, not an option. All right, so kind of going back to it. Let's see. So we got data in 1 minute. We'll see how it comes out. And honestly, if we end up holding this right here, we might be able to kind of ride this EMA today on the SPY or on the Qs, because that's kind of about where we pulled back. Think I like the SPY a little bit more because the target is a little bit higher, but yeah. Here, let's see. Okay, I bought more shares of, okay, at 3. What's the difference between support and resistance and supply and demand? Support and resistance is more like level to level. Supply and demand is like more institutional. Like those are large levels where the supply and demand are levels where there are a lot of buyers and sellers, where you usually see more violent reactions. All right, so we got our data. And also one thing is, like, you'll typically see support and resistances in supply and demand zones, but you won't always see supply and demand zones and support and resistances. So I guess one is more rare than the other. It's one way you could say it, I guess. Oh yeah, how's Nvidia doing? Here, let me turn away from, oh dang, I'm upset now. Okay, Nvidia kept popping because I still had like that Nvidia call. I was like, you know what, let me sell out of it, but it ended up doing it, and it ended up hitting 144. So technically Nvidia just broke out then, or is breaking out here. Let's rechart Nvidia, because right now this could kind of be a larger kind of level for Nvidia. If they actually hold this, we might get a retest, but maybe second half of the day I'll check back in on this. Yeah, because that's a solid trend line they've been riding behind for some time. Let's see how AMD's doing. AMD's not even moving like Nvidia. Here, let's check on Palantir. I know somebody. Okay, Palantir's also above the trend line. Here, let's drop down to a lower time frame. Let's go to a 5-minute. Dang. All right, so good morning. Looks like, okay, thank you for transparency. Appreciate you. I'm using crypto, very diversity and dividends for comp. Hey, good stuff. What sockets are you looking at? Dang, we got the comments kind of coming now. Good morning, looking for puts on the SPY. Hey, I'm kind of watching for it too, but the SPY is not necessarily wanting to do that yet. Right now it's crossed up to the upside. Hey, we'll watch this level up here again, see if it wants to have like some kind of double top. But yeah, as of right now, nothing. Tesla green for the day. So one thing I'll say is, like, it's too early to call anything. I'm not sure if y'all seen the market lately, but it's like you can get one thing in the morning and by the evening it's a completely different story. It's like they already kind of like ran the PCE back down. So honestly, I feel like there's room to come down if it wants to. I feel like the market still wants to make waves lower, because we still haven't come back to filling that gap from whenever Trump got elected or won the election. So I think that still needs to happen. If we look at the SPY, notice this gap over here. See, we still need to come back to like 375 to fill in that gap. We're like making our way down, like in kind of waves, but honestly, looking at it, I'm not sure we'll get above 390. So if we come to 390, that might be kind of next area. I know I have it at here, let me slide it up to 390. If we come up there, I might, we'll see. Up 45%. Hey, love to hear it, family. Wish I would have held on to it now. No, I have not. Well, yeah, I have read books on trading, but honestly, I didn't find them to be too helpful. Honestly, I think for me, the best place has been like either like I've taken mentorships and learned a lot on YouTube. And like I've watched a lot of live streams, and it's like whenever you watch live streams and you hear terminology that you don't understand, it's like, okay, there might be something to this. Let me like look up videos on that. It's like the hard part is knowing what to learn. QSI. Yeah, QSI is running. Hold on, what? This? Oh, that's a 4 hour. Okay, QSI. Yeah, that is very much so running. Here, let's see. Yeah, we got a lot going on now. All right, so Nvidia hit its next resistance at 144. Let's kind of see. Yeah, from here, next level will be about 145, 146. Oh, is AMD go? No, it's not going crazy yet. If AMD goes crazy, hey, my leap will wake up. Or my skip is, wait, hold up. What? I was trying to look up ARM. So ARM. Yeah, we opened up over here. Yeah, ARM's having a decent day. I don't like the options contracts on ARM though. That's my thing with ARM. I think I like it more with shares right now. Yeah, but the chips, they're waking up. That's good. That's very good. Let's see. Okay. I thought it was gonna fall, man. Nvidia's going crazy. Had paper options for Nvidia that expired today, and it's up. Honestly. I also wish Robinhood would give you a way to name your options, because sometimes I get plays from you or other groups and want to remember. So you have, oh yeah, you only have one options watch list, right? So yeah, that's a little bit of trouble. I feel you. Yeah, honestly, the only way to really take care of that is like by writing it down or typing it down somewhere. All right, so I do want to point out that the Qs is kind of holding in here. Let's check on Tesla. Oh wait. All right, Tesla for now is still holding this range too. Let's see. What am I looking at on Meta? What are you looking at on Meta? Doesn't look like it's moving too crazy today. Honestly, Meta to me is kind of like dead money for the most part. Just because I know their options premium or their contract premiums are a lot, and I feel like you would pay a lot, or you would be paying a lot for it to only be moving the range on the day. Okay, that's a good pop up, I guess. But since open, all right, so they opened up at 602, went up. I don't know. It's like I like Meta when it moves larger. It's like the stock price is so high that it's like that's not enough movement in my eyes. All right, so AMD is kind of, hold up, let's AMD does seem like it's kind of trying to wake up a little bit. Rubbing hands. SPY looking bullish now, but still cautious. Yeah, I'm very cautious too. This is very weird. Like sitting here looking at the Dixie. Dixie's coming down, so that's semi bullish. The VIX is coming down. PCE is rising up though, so there's a little bit of put protection being bought. Call to put ratio slowly rising. Informative video on G. Okay, so Skittles, I saw that video like I want to say like yesterday or the day before. Like I was like, hold on, let me see this, because I was like, this fits the description of what Skittles said to me. So I saw the video. I was like, oh, I'm like, okay, all right, cool. I'm like this. Yeah, I was like, yes, Skittles. I was like, yes. So yeah, I saw that video. No, I saw it yesterday. Yeah, like I was in a sauna listening to that video, and then my headphones overheated. So I think there was like a minute left to the video. I didn't finish it, but. Can you help? I'm having a problem closing a losing option expiring today on Apple. Call on Moomoo. I can only help so much. There's like maybe if you send me a screenshot on Instagram or something, I might be able to tell you what's going on, but through here I can't do too much, honestly. So it's like if you send me a screenshot, first off, tell me you sent me a screenshot, because I have my notifications off. So like if you send me a screenshot, tell me that you do right here. Oh dang, Tesla's coming back. Let's see. Let's look at it on a 15. Here, let me look at this on a 30 real quick. Oh yeah, on a 30. Yeah, Tesla still might end up doing what I was expecting it to. I'm gonna watch this just for play's sake. I'm gonna keep this one up. All right, so as of right now, it looks like SPY kind of went for like a low double top action. I kind of hope we keep going up, because I don't want to see Tesla make this move to my target after I cut out. I put my money into a put for Nvidia. You think it's going to drop? I mean, it's very well possible. The 144 level is a level of resistance. So if it's kind of like how it was whenever it hit this 140 level earlier this week, if you look at the rest of the day, so in the morning, you kind of started off running up. Or actually, I think you started off down here. It ran up, and then you got like a hard sell off. So it's very well possible. I think 144 is kind of the next larger area, but I would say kind of look first for the 143 level, see how it responds at 142, and then I think it could come back to 139 if it still has that momentum. But I do see a rise in the PCE, so now it's starting to look like, hey, Tesla would have been a good short to hold on to. But yeah, just had to kind of cut my losses and didn't want to, wasn't trying to like risk it like that. So Vincent, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, Mass 3D RC. That's kind of what I was saying. Yeah, it looked like a double top potentially. I mean, I thought it was could have potentially formed one. But it could also be something like this. It could be some kind of like pennant or triangle. I mean, we don't fully know yet. But you could have something like this depending on where these, kind of how this goes and where these close. Yeah, you could have something like that too. So really, we'll just kind of wait and see. Try to figure it out. Here, let's see. Palantir is still, well, actually, Palantir looks exactly like the SPY. Which are do you? I don't think it is. I don't think it's going to really hold above 144. That doesn't mean it can't, but I don't think it's going to today. I think they've kind of set their upper limit for the day so far. And I think they're trying to, usually on Friday, their goal is to make as many people's contracts expire worthless as possible. So they kind of blasted up to the upside. They're now trying to pull back to kind of like hold people out of those, and then we'll kind of see. Yo, what's going on, Matthew? Did a small day trade while on the graveyard shifts, came up 250, had small buying power, but still felt good. Gotta get some sleep. Hey, bless you, Eric. Bless you. Yo, enjoy your sleep. And yo, I remember I used to work overnight at Amazon, man. Yo, that's when I stopped trading for some months, because I was like, yo, I cannot like even function. I felt like a zombie. All right, Cassius. Pullback. Yes, pullbacks are very real. Pullbacks are part of the market. And dang, now I am watching Tesla, and it looks like it's going towards my target. My first target was like this 377.63. I think we very well could come down here to this 373 level. Or maybe I had mine down here at this 373 level. I don't know. But Tesla, yeah, it would have been good if I held that trade. What do you think of C3 AI? I mean, honestly, I don't personally think much of it, but I know everybody else likes to like kind of talk about it and go off. I don't have much of an opinion on it. I don't have strong conviction. Yeah, it's currently in a downtrend. It's at a level of support, but yeah, I don't personally have too many feelings about it. As soon as I picked up a call on AMD, it dropped it like it was hot. Honestly, hey, same to me. I just have a few months on mine, so I think we got we start getting earnings next week. We got a couple earnings next week. We get bank earnings the week after and some airlines. And when earnings come into swing, I think that's kind of when we'll start potentially seeing some things maybe start moving again. Looks like Walmart finna drop 2. Makes sense. Really want a dollar cost average, but I'm being patient. It's not the cheapest. I mean, honestly, I would say you can't go wrong dollar cost averaging. It's like buying into things in a regular period. That's kind of, in my opinion, the best way to do it. Is to be consistent and kind of like buy at regular intervals. Here, let's see. Hit that like button. Appreciate that, Lucky J. Hey, let's get that to 100 likes. Oh yeah, let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can get 100. I see we got 108 down below in the chat, or down below on the stream. Check with Derive on SPY, and it keeps saying major support at 180. Does that sound right to you? So here, let's look. So yeah, lines up right here. That's actually where I have my range. I got it at 580.50, but it's pretty much there. If you go a little bit further, right here, this is 579.78, so that's another part too. So yeah, it's in there. Also, let's take this time to realize, like, we came up here this morning just like looks like just below 590, but this trend line looks like it's holding strong because this trend line goes back to December 26. We've kind of been coming down, and we kind of respected it. Like, we wicked above it, but now it looks like we're coming down. And yeah, now it looks like my Tesla trade would have been really, really solid money today. I'm actually curious to see what that contract's at right now. Let's take a look. Okay, so I had, what was it? It was one for today. What, I have like a 377 put? Let me look at my exact put. Let me see what that put was real quick. Oh no, I had the 375. All right, so yeah, that's going for 126. And I had paid, let's see. Yeah, I paid 85 for it. It's not doing too bad. All right. Yeah, Tesla's trending south. Yeah, it's doing pretty much what I charted for it to do. What's your Instagram name? It's Matthew Manuel, I want to say 1. So yeah, first name, last name, and then the number 1, no spaces. Wait, why am I looking myself up on Instagram? Yeah, it's Matthew Manuel 1. Let me try to drop a link for you. I don't know if I can do that. Share profile. Let me just there you go. That's my Instagram. Just made 167 on SPY put. Saw the weakness and a double top. Good stuff. Did you look at, yeah, looked at ARM, but I don't like the way ARM options move, so it's like it's not anything I'm gonna really get in on. So yeah, it had good movement today. Like it's up 3%. But yeah, when you compare it to an Nvidia, it's kind of, where is it at? Yeah, so ARM, why isn't, yeah, ARM's up, I guess 4%. So it's moving a little bit better than Nvidia. But I like the way Nvidia's contracts move more. You think Nvidia one? So Nvidia's probably coming back down. Just looking at the rest of the market. Next level for Nvidia, I would say like it's back below its trend line, similar to what I was saying with the SPY respecting its downtrend line. I would imagine Nvidia comes back to retest 142. See kind of how it does at 142, but I would say there's a good chance it comes back to this 138, upper 138s, lower 139s kind of area. Brother B, welcome, welcome. Good morning. Good morning, Derek. Hey, no problem. Silvio, what was that crypto app you get free money from for answering questions? I remember you. Oh, it's Coinbase. Yeah, here I can show y'all how to do that real quick. I don't think I have the actually I think I can. We'll see. All right, let's see here. I mean, first off here, all right. To any of y'all that don't have Coinbase, yo, if you sign up using that, you get $20 after your first trade or whatever. But I'm about to show you how I legit use Coinbase to get free money. So if you're not watching the screen and you don't have Coinbase, all right, let's go. So in the Coinbase app, this is after you have it. In the app, you have, I don't know, these things at the bottom. If you click on this one right here, the one on the bottom right, you can scroll down. Where is it? You'll see earning assets. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Go down here, you see rewards. Okay, so right here, you can see there's $61 in rewards available for me to earn. All right, so I think right now I have about $60 in crypto. Here, let's look. Yeah, about $65. Just know I didn't put any of that in there on my own, and I have actually taken out money in the past. So none of that money in there is mine. It's all from me just getting crypto rewards. All right, so you can see right here, there's this one called Alio, and it says $33 worth of Alio. So I'm gonna let you see. There's gonna be these where it's like download the wallet and whatnot. I don't usually do those. I usually just, like, you can see these right here where it says lesson. It's legit. You answer a question and you get a crypto. I can't get to these because I haven't done this, but you can see these over here. I've done. I got 250. I got 250, 250, 250. It was just, this was one question, one question, one question, one question. So that's $10 that I got just from answering questions, and it was like a minute worth of my time. So I earned, I guess, 17 from that one. And then you can scroll over. There's usually more. Here, let's see. I don't know, but it's like I usually check in here and there throughout the year, and that'll be, there will be different opportunities to earn money there. So, yeah, if you have Coinbase, and if you have Coinbase, yeah, just check in there. Like, I might check once every month or two, and it's like, hey, more free money to earn. And if you do the stuff where you actually download the wallet, I feel like sometimes you get the money, sometimes you don't with some of them, or sometimes it's like actually complicated to do that stuff, so I usually just don't mess with it. It's usually not worth my time, so just yeah, know that. So what the frick? Everything is reversing. I'm glad my portfolio is diversified. Hey, yeah, that's the way the market works. So that's the beauty of like having trend lines charted, and that's where things like the RSI and whatnot come into play as well. So it's like you could see here, let's go to like a 15. Like we had our 4 hour trend lines, but it's like, okay, we're moving above the trend line. Something I might look at is like, oh, how are we doing? And it's like you can see, oh, we're oversold up here when we're at our high. So we kind of sell off a little bit. It's like, are we holding? And then it's like you might ask yourself the same question on the 15 over here. It's like, oh, we came over. We're kind of outside of this. It's like we're oversold. Think typically we like to see ourselves in that 50. So if we happen to be up here and we're down at the lower end, it's like, oh yeah, we're probably gonna keep running. But yeah, it's usually once you see us getting closer to that oversold, it's like, yo, what's going on? There we might be getting ready to come back down. Like looking at Tesla, this is a 4 hour chart. Let's go to 15, see how we're looking. So if you look at Nvidia on the 15, so I do want to point out that you can, like, just because you're oversold, it doesn't mean that you're necessarily going to go down, but your odds of going down and how smart it is to buy into that is not as smart to buy in when you're like up here as opposed to being like down here in the like 20s or 30s or like midway. So and then where you get your news for stocks so quick? What are you using? So this is TradingView. So there's a mobile app and this is the desktop platform. So kind of looking at TradingView, I don't know, this right here, they have like the key facts. So for certain stocks, more popular ones, you'll see that there. And then they also have latest updates. I also have the CNBC app. So it's like whenever anything larger happens, the CNBC app will kind of just send a notification to my arm. Or to my phone. I don't like pay anything for it, but it's there. I can't send you the screenshot on your. Oh, here, let me go accept your invitation real quick. Here, let's see. All right. Yeah, I just liked your message. All right, is Palantir safe to buy calls? I'm going to start off by saying no, but it's also possibly yes. I'm going to say this is probably a bad spot to buy calls just because this is resistance up here. One thing here, let me actually take these off and show you something. All right, so on here, let's look on the 4 hour, right? So this is a breakout. We haven't gotten the candle hasn't closed yet, so it could end up being like the rest of them, but we got a breakout right here. But one thing you will typically see after a breakout, so you'll see like a run up, and one thing to like if you don't catch it before it breaks out, another good spot to buy is there will usually be like say it continues to run a little bit, it'll come back and use that trend line as kind of support instead of resistance like it was before, and then it'll move higher. So ideally, like here, you don't know how far this will continue, but typically there will be some kind of pullback before you finish going up. So dropping back down to a 15, we kind of got the break. I mean, we got like a little bit of a pullback. So I mean that's possibility that's a pullback. So maybe you do kind of go up. But looking at the RSI, I feel that the RSI hasn't really pulled back enough to constitute a pullback. Maybe on the 5 minute, not even on the 5 minute. Honestly, I want to see it at least hit like 50 on a pullback. So I personally feel like it's not done, or I feel like it's not done pulling back. But it's like you can take that information and do what you like. Here, let's see how Tesla's doing. So honestly, everything is kind of chilling in the middle right now. So new net, I believe, got that. I'll say he probably got like the best trade on the day. That was probably going to be the juiciest trade setup that we got so far today, unless they kind of just go crazy towards the end of the day. All right. Silvio, you're probably not going to be able to get out of that trade. It's just going to have to expire because it's only worth that's considered to be worthless. So like once you see it, typically once you see it worth 0.01, there's not anybody that wants to buy it. Whenever there's an option contract, somebody needs to be on the other side that's willing to buy it, and if there's nobody out there willing to buy it, if there are no bids out for it, then there's no one that can buy it. Hey, well, Alani, I hope I'm glad that that was helpful to you. All right, so Palantir, hey, it is trying to push up. We're not getting any kind of clear just direction. Okay, D community, I own Bitcoin, Doge, Pepe. In my stock portfolio, I'm aiming for 90. Stock 10. Okay. I thought you were saying that the other way around. I was like, oh wow, that's an interesting ratio, but yeah, if that's how you what was I gonna say? If that's how you do it though, hey, it's that seems like a decent ratio to me. As of right now, I'm still kind of like what is it? I'm a little bit more what is it? No, stock heavy, but look at Rivian. What's going on with Rivian? Let's take a look. This might be a good one to look at. Oh, dang. Rivian Automotive reports Q4 production delivery shares jump. Okay. All right. Yeah, I might need to. Let's look for. All right, so I'm gonna set like a longer term alert for this. Here, let's move that up to like 11. All right, we like Rivian at 11. I like to set these that way. Whenever the market pulls back to them, I'll pick up some shares. So I'll just leave it. No, you won't get to. No, you won't have to buy 100 shares of it at that price. Yeah, it's just gonna expire worthless. Because you would be better off buying 100 shares, on the market than buying at that price. So it's just gonna expire worthless. Can't believe you're in profit on. What is the is AMD moving up still? Where's AMD? Okay. Okay, AMD. Yeah, let me slide this over. Let's see if is it above or at where I bought it? Let's see. Alright, it's kind of like right where I bought it at. Let's go to the... Okay, we just crossed up. It's bullish on this time frame. Here, let's check the PCE. Alright, the PCE is running up. IWM's pushing up. Oh man, $15 0 DT calls on Rivian. Yeah, we'll watch Rivian too. Let's I need to add that back to my list. I don't think it's on there. Definitely something to watch now. That's up 20% on a day. So yeah, Rivian. So Rivian got a catalyst today. So I would say this, like looking at the RSI, this is something you would expect on a day like today. This is 100% acceptable. There is good reason for this. This is not something like just because it's up here at this on this time frame, I would not try to short this. Oh yeah, I'm here for AMD to run off to the races. Let me see if I'm at break even yet, because I haven't gone down on that call I bought. Oh yeah, we looking good on the portfolio. I think I'm still down on it though. I'm up 14. It's up like 14% on the day, but I'm down 8% on where I bought it at. But yes, AMD, let's get it. Here, let's see. I own 19 stocks in ETF. I want 20 total. Any suggestions? Here, let me run through my favorites. Here, let's see. What are kind of my favorites? Hey, do you have any PayPal? That's kind of like, that's one I think that is still very slept on, and I believe has a lot of, like, I could see PayPal. Here, let's look at the chart on PayPal real quick. So PayPal, I believe PayPal will go back to all-time highs within like the next 3 years. Right now it's trading at 87. So yeah, I think PayPal is going to go take out these all-time highs, and like it's kind of like the more you can grab right down here at these levels, hey, that's going to be money. Oh, Philip, hey, we're above the level on AMD. All right. Oh, and 0 day to expiration means those are contracts that expire today, with no days till they expire. Azure, good morning. Lucky I own QDT cover. Oh, you're okay. Yeah. That's what QDTE does. Okay, PayPal, or not PayPal. Okay, AMD. Okay, I'm in the green on my trade pretty much for the first time since I bought it. Hey, we might be the most in the green on this trade since I purchased it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so PayPal's money, in my opinion, Palantir. Okay. Wait. I swear we were looking at Palantir and it was like above this. What time frame were we on? Okay, so on the 4 hour, it's above, but on the 1 hour, it's above. 3 hour or 30 minute. That's so weird because, okay, I don't know. Yes. Okay. Boom. All right, Angel 5, what is the best day trading app? So, when it comes to day trading, it's honestly going to depend on you. And it's going to depend on your strategy. Like, if you're scalping and whatnot, that might be something better to do on a computer because a lot of platforms actually have quick keys where you can buy or sell at certain kind of levels and whatnot. That's not anything I do, but I know you can. And honestly, it's going to come down to you. So if you're trying to get in and get out super fast, I don't know, you might want something like a Moomoo, or I was going to say TD Ameritrade, but no, they sell everybody's information, and it's like now you probably want to stay away from TD Ameritrade, but Interactive Brokers is a good one. But that's also, I'm not gonna lie, whenever I was like setting up my Interactive Brokers account, I feel like it low key takes work to set up the account. It's like I feel like it's the most sophisticated and it's going to be the best, but it's not simple. Any thoughts on Apple? Let's see. Yeah, Apple is one I wanted to check in on. I kind of had some levels on that. Let's see. Oh, it's still kind of below. So yeah, right now at this level, you kind of just want to wait and see. It's at a level of support. We want to see if it ends up falling down. See if it like breaks below this kind of 241.30 level. It's probably gonna go some more. But if it holds and it starts going, I would say above like 244, 245, hey, we might be able to see 250 again. And check out Google. Which Google? Are we talking about Google or Google? Because prices are. I'm seeing a lot of consolidation on it. I don't know if Google looks any different. No, it pretty much looks the same. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about this right now. Let's see. So you said Moomoo? Yeah, I said Moomoo. Moomoo is a good one. Um, Interactive Brokers seems like a good one. And honestly, when it comes to like you gotta pay for the like live options quotes, but I feel like the Webull platform is good for that as well. But all those were kind of from the standpoint of if you're trying to trade on your computer. Okay, now it looks like a double top on my on SPY on the 2 minute. Let's see. Yeah, let's kind of check the range. Okay, you said 2 minute. It looks like you might be in triple top territory actually. Like if you go to a 5 minute, it looks like we kind of got like a little trend going. Or I guess not. Or if there was, maybe SPY ends up going up. Maybe we go up. Let's change this to a 30. Yeah, on a 30-minute SPY is all up today. Hey, they're playing with us today. Here, let me hey, I think we might just go up today. Let's see. Let me check my day trades real quick. I might throw one more on the SPY. Oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I might just grab a, here, let's see. Let's see what the 0 DTs are looking like. Oh no, actually I don't love that. I'm not gonna do that. Waiting for Palantir to break resistance to go to 80. Man, honestly, it's still pushing up. The volume's kind of... Oh, well, we'll wait, see how this candle does. I'm sorry, which day trading app is this? Are you talking about the... If you're talking about what I'm using here, this is just, this is TradingView. This is a platform that I use to chart. Triple top is crazy work. What is that? Okay, so here, let me show you something. Let's see. See if I have it on here. Here, I'm gonna drop this link in the chat. This is it's pretty much going to be for this right here, but this is a double top. A triple top is the same thing, but essentially instead of two, there's a third one, like over here, before you get this kind of breaking period. Oh yeah, hopefully you're learning lots, D community. They trying to see who's all going to run early green day. Honestly, I would like to know what trading is it. What do you mean like that, or what do you mean by that? If you're asking what I trade, primarily options contracts. May we all make that bank today. Yeah, that Rivian's looking real good. Yeah, if it's a triple top, yeah, it would be coming down, and honestly, it would be like for this you would target probably this 586. So here, maybe I might be willing to try to go for that. Let's see if we can let's see how we respond at this level right here. And let me check the downside. Let me see what, oh, hold up. But I'm gonna look at the contracts for the 6th, which is Monday, instead of for contracts for today, if we come up there, just to give me some more opportunity. Might wait until Euro market on. Okay. Oh yeah, Euro market will kind of give us some more information. Got about 37 minutes for that. Let's look at the Dixie. So what? It's 15 minutes. So they're selling off a little bit. So that's kind of bullish. So that's going to depend on a lot of things. So me personally with serve, it's like right when it was over here at 15, yes, but now it's like it's kind of up here around resistance. So it's like if you buy a call here, it's like if you break above resistance here, then it might be a good call and it could possibly run up to this $24 level, but it's like you kind of don't know. It's like right now it doesn't seem the smartest until you get like a clear break. But it could be. Hakeem, okay, chat has grown 25 or 2025 is up. Oh yeah, that's hey, people wanna see what's popping to start the year off. So I guess the family is growing. Hey, no complaints here. Beautiful. I hope so. Hey, if you got in on that, I hope so for you too. All right, so hey, the SPY might be making this move down. Let's see. Here, let's also look at something. So actually, let me go to a 1 hour. Take a look at this. So actually, as of right now, where we got our demand at or supply. So there is. Oh, this is a little confused. Let's go to a 4 hour. $15. Okay, here I'm gonna slide this up a little bit. I want to see if we can like come above that, and I might look for a short when we get above that. Now, see if I can like ride it back down a little bit. Let's see. 125 liking, 72 likes. Let's get that to 100. Free 99. Oh shoot, with the was that a crystal ball? Oh shoot, JT, what's up? Not over with Mr. Answers. I've been following you, bro. Excellent content. I've learned a lot from your videos. Thank you. Appreciate that, family. Yeah, this is your friendly reminder that if you take a look at the video, scroll down a little bit, there is a little icon that looks like a thumbs up. If you have a cursor or a mouse and hover it over and do a left click, hey, it'll change colors. It'll like the video. If you're on a mobile device or mobile device, iPad, anything like that, you just press it with your finger. Once again, it'll change colors. Like the video. 100% free 99, just like Lucky J said. Is AMD a double? Here, let's see. Now, when you say is AMD a double, were you talking about like a double top or? Honestly, I don't see one. It's like it's making. So AMD is like it's making like higher, like the second high is higher. So I wouldn't fully say that. I would say it's kind of an uptrend. Cassie said, "Dang, did you look at Mara? What's Mara doing? Where's Mara at right now?" Here. I definitely picked up some shares the other day just cause okay, my shares should be doing well then. Thanks. I picked some shares up around like 17, so hey, that's cool. I might. Yeah, cool. Hey, yeah, Mara's doing this thing. So when it comes to stocks like Mara and the other crypto miners, I don't like they don't move the way I expect them to. So I can't really time them when it comes to options. So I typically just kind of buy and sell them. Or I find the best thing is just to buy them when they're cheap. But Mara is personally one I can see kind of going crazy over like this year. Like it wouldn't surprise me if it like I'm not going to say 10x. I would say it wouldn't surprise. Actually, I could see it 10xing. Maybe not this year, but I could see it 10xing from here. Man, or Matt, this looks like a respective VWAP on AMD. Honestly, well, I got, or just respecting my EMA kind of, but dang, Mara is kind of going for it. How's Coinbase doing? Where's Coinbase? I feel like Mara looks better than Coinbase. Coin's up 3. Where's Mara? Oh yeah, Mara's up 13. Sheesh. Hey, I'll take it. I'll definitely take that. Jeremy Johnson, good morning. I just did that. What'd you just do? $80 call on Palantir expires. Okay, so somebody was asking about a call on Palantir. Hey, Hakeem just said he grabbed that $80 call on Palantir with 2 weeks of time on it. Pay attention to the fact that he got 2 weeks of time, so the theta is not going to be working hard against him. Oh, you need Palantir to go down? All right, so I will say, like, there's a little bit of negative news. This candle does look very bullish. As of right now, I'm not seeing a retest. On the 4 hour, it's kind of like right in the middle. On the lower time frames, it's like super oversold, but on the 4 hour, that's super bullish. So honestly, it could take off. Here, I want to go in and check in on the indexes again real quick. So let's look at the Qs. Let's look at that on a 4 hour. All right, so that's still kind of being held down. Let's look at IWM. Still kind of trading that range. Right, running with Mara. Okay, I feel like, hold up, where's Clean Spark? Oh, Clean Spark's moving too. I was looking at Clean Spark and I was like, oh yeah, this would be a good time to pick it up below 10 as well. But also, I'm not I don't know, I'm not this isn't my one. It's like I'm more here for Mara than yeah, let's check out Riot though. Let's see. Appreciate you, Jeremy. Oh yeah, you okay, just hit the like button. Yeah, appreciate you, family. Yeah, Riot is hey, well, Riot is wilding too. Yeah, they're really trying to play with us right now. Actually, it's almost like so we had like a double top, but this looks actually more like a double bottom. Like you could still have that double top on the SPY, but We're kind of crossing that level. I want to drop down to a 5 to see kind of how we respond over here. I said 590 was the level I was watching, and then above that was 592. Let me go back up to a 4-hour just to see why I was watching 590, because I forgot why exactly I was watching 590. May have been on a 1-hour. Let's see. So this is a, let's see. This is kind of the start of a 1-hour supply zone. So kind of see. We go to like a 2-minute, look at the 13 EMA. I'm gonna go to a 1 minute, see kind of how the 1 minute, the 13 EMA on the 1 minute holds up. All right, let's see. See, bro, you are awesome. I just hit 42% on serve. Hey, that's you, man. It's like I kind of told you what's like right and wrong, the possibilities, but that was you that decided to take that play. I'm not sure I would have had the courage, but that's just because I don't watch it as much. But yeah, that's all you, family. You made that decision. $80 call puts you out of the money, especially for 2 weeks out. So it's like out of the money, but it's like, how long is it going to be out of the money? Because the day started, it opened up at 75. It's already at 78. So it's like it very much, it's like whenever you ride something out of the money, in the money, that's when the profits get kind of nice. Here, I want to check back in on Tesla and see where it is in relevance to that trend line. Oh, it's still, okay. Not much is going on. Here, also, I want to, here, let's go back to 1 hour. Okay. What are some penny stocks you think can boom? So kind of going off of like the time frame that they go on. Like I'm not an expert in penny stocks or anything. I would say I am more of a follower in that aspect. But hey, one we got is GEVO. That's one Skittles put us on to, and then I've recently seen some technical analysis on it. It looks solid. Fubo is one that I'm like bullish on like long term. And I would say that's kind of to the extent where where it kind of goes for me with penny stocks. Oh dang, I wasn't even paying attention to SPY, but now it looks like, okay, it came below. I said I was going to grab a short. All right, so I'm going to grab a 581 put that expires on Monday. See if we can ride it anywhere. All right, I paid 45 for it. This is my last trade for the day. Oh wait, hold up. It's going to be my last trade for the day. We'll see if I can ride it out. Got in about right there. And it would be most ideal to ride down to here. It's out of the money, but got the chance to make some profit on it. We'll see kind of how this goes. All right, let's see. Where is it? Okay, Palantir is going to be a $100 per share. Oh, $100 per share. Sometime this honest. I mean, it's very well possible. Very well possible. Sound. Yeah, let's take a look at that. Honestly, I'm just waiting for a large pullback on. Oh, it's starting. It's trying to go up again. I need it to stop going up. I was like, I want it to come down. Like everything needs to come back down and do its thing. It will. You can't expect for it to jump so fast without having to play the seesaw. 100%. Here, let's do. Gave y'all QS 2 weeks now. Oh, you're welcome, Sergio. Glad you found it to be helpful. Let's take a look at QS real quick to see how it's. Here, let's see. 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 4. Yeah, anywhere in this area, that's a good move here. Let's see. Yeah, it's been on a journey, but hey, that's a good little mover. You said he won't make a dime at the moment looking at the break even. So when it comes to the break even, you can make money with options long before it hits break even. Break even is only applicable to the moment, like the time during expiration. So it's like, for instance, looking at the SPY contract, break even for me would be the SPY coming down to 580, but I'm already profitable while it's at 588 right now. So it's like if it comes all the way down to that 588.55 right now, yeah, I'm gonna be up several $100s. So it doesn't need to come to break even for you to be profitable. You can make hundreds of percent on a options contract long before break even. It just depends on the kind of like the delta and some other things. You need to purchase one contract in the money as well to balance it out and allow you to make. No, you can make money right now. Like Hakeem can make money right now. He's probably up on his contract now. It's like if you bought an $80 call, like if we look at those $80 Palantir calls he talked about, let's see, those calls he talked about. So to start the day, those contracts were less than $100. Now they're $305 for the contract. So it's like he's probably already above break even. It's like as the value of the contract, or as the price of the as the value of the contract goes up, the break even for the new people buying it will cost, like it'll be more for them to make money, but you can make money buying contracts that are far out of the money. I grabbed the 581 that expires on Monday, but this is like a get in get out SPY trade. I'm up like 13% though. All right, Sergio. By the way, I'm thankful because I'm just getting started, and it's nice to hit some profit from time. Hey, 100%. So Mara, no suggestion. It's like, for me, like this was a buy level for me right here. This 1866, I can clear that out now, and this was a buy level for me. I'm not sure if we hit it. Did we hit it? Yeah, we hit that. So yeah, now it's like Mara is free to come up. So no suggestions on that at all. I picked up my shares and I'm like cooling with that. Skittles, penny stock ideas. Shout out to Skittles. Yes, my average cost is at $291 and it went as high as $314, so I was up 7%. Yeah, so it's like if he sells out at 7%, that's profit right there. All right, let's see. Sup, fam? I made a few bucks on Chewy. Hey, nice, Natalie. Here, so here, let's see. I thought he bought one that hasn't met that price. That's on me. Oh no, no worries, Divine. Just want to make sure you understand how they work. That's all. Just want to make sure everyone has understanding. KTT or Kit? Oh, Lucky J. I think he gets it. What's going on with AMD? Let's see. Let's get it. Oh yeah, I'm here for AMD. Yeah. Come on now. Yeah, I think it's the highest it's been since I purchased it. Am I always in the green? Hey, thank you for your presence, Lucky J. How we doing on the AMD? Oh yeah, we're looking. I mean, I'm still in the red, but hey, we're looking good. Looking very good. Let me look at my Mara. All right, let's see. 100 likes and YouTube push a video out. Let's grow the fam. Hey, yeah, we're pretty close. Let's see. Yeah, we got 91 likes, 120 people. And we got some lurkers that aren't liking, but hey, they'll come around. Yeah, let's go AMD. Yeah, let's get it. And let's look at AMD on the weekly. This is a weekly demand zone. I'm very interested to see. Like, we already got our first kind of test over it, so I would hope that we kind of took off. And it would be very nice if we wanted to come up and take that out, but we got some earnings coming through. Oh shoot, 97 likes. Okay. All right, let's see. Euro close in 15 minutes. Do I wait? Hey, that's the question. That is the question. I know I'm going to wait, but I got a lot more time. You think this upward momentum might hold all day? It very well could. Like, it's very well possible. So one thing I like to do is watch the EMAs. So I'm kind of here. I'm kind of watching on the lower time frame on the SPY. I'm trying to like ride it down a little bit, but once again, it's a lower time frame move. Okay, 103 likes. I see y'all. Shout out to Skittles for that last little push. Lucky J. Appreciate y'all, family. Let's see. Hey, let's do some Actually, we come through here. Let's. Yeah, let's. Got some superpowers being granted. All right. Lucky J and Skittles, I dare y'all to type a message. I dare y'all. All right, let's see. JP. Happy birthday, JP. Yeah, happy birthday. Hold up. Let's see what we got in here. Everybody drop an emote for JP. Is there a birthday? I know it's not a birthday, but yo, that's the kind of energy we're bringing for your birthday, JP. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to JP. How old are you, JP? I'm gonna say if you're too young, don't say your age because hey, we're not trying to be creepy out here. But yo, happy birthday, JP. Yeah, everybody show JP some love. Oh shoot, Skittle, I see you said that. What the fruit? Hey, okay, JP, I'm 27. Just well, I'm about to be 28 next month, but okay, we could have gone to school together. Yo, yeah, peace and blessings, JP. Here's either a rocket or drop for Tesla. Oh yeah, let's take another look in at Tesla. Okay, so we got here. Wrong chart. Let's go to the. I'm gonna look at Tesla over here. All right, so I'm still watching this this trend line over here. It's like I think Tesla will kind of make its way to this trend line. It may not do it today. If it does, hey, that's great. Be a good area to short at, but we'll kind of see. Gen Z, hey, I am legit like I don't feel like I fit in, but I am legit like I'm the cutoff for Gen Z. Like I was right on the edge of being a millennial, but like I'm like the first of Gen Z. But it's like I look at a lot of Gen Z, I do not feel like I relate that well. But I'm Gen Z technically. Yeah, Tesla's looking interesting. I'd say forget what I had charted here. Actually, I would say it kind of played out. My target was just a little too, I guess, too aggressive. Here, let's see. Yeah, love all the birthday energy for JP. Apple is tripping. Yeah, Apple has been kind of consolidating today. Oh shoot, AMD almost at 24. Hey, quick check in on Apple though. Okay, so yeah, if Apple can like get above like 245, or right now it looks like 244, but I would really want to see it above 245. Yeah, they could run up. Looks like they'll have some resistance around 247, but good potential for them. All right, let's go back to where's AMD. AMD was looking mighty fine. Let's see how they do at this $24 area. Oh, I forgot I'm in something on the SPY. Let me yeah, I'm losing focus on what I'm on. Yeah, I'm red on that now. But yeah, AMD's improving. Go to a 5-minute on the SPY. Let's see if we can actually make a move below this EMA or if it's going to keep pushing up. I put a 143 put in. So I do want to let you know that it's very here. Let's go to 1 hour. Why are all my charts Apple now? I just want to show you that it's very close to oversold right now. So it looks like it's, if anything, it's getting ready to go up. I feel like it's going to have some trouble getting below that 242 support. I think Tesla is, hey, it's going for it. Made my made my day. Regulators mount up. Yeah, we see any kind of disrespect, we say bye bye. The community, heads up. All right, we got 6 minutes until Euro close. Please, I have an Nvidia put at 142. Do you think it'll hit? Cause I'm here. Let's take a look at Nvidia. So, yeah, my thesis kind of changed a little bit. So there's like a lot of support at this. Let's say 142. Yeah, this is a 15, but there's a lot of support at this like 142.82. There's a lot of support there. So like when I was talking about the break and retest earlier, if you look at it on the lower time frame, it looks like that's what's happening. So we got the break. Right now we're getting the retest. So now we need to see, is this going to hold up or is it coming down? Honestly, we won't get those answers until probably like we got 34 minutes till this candle closes, and that'll kind of give us some information. It's like I'm hoping there's some things I hope go up. There's some things I hope go down. I'm like hoping for both directions. We'll have to see. Lucky J cooling with the shades. Euro closed to break the 124 AMD wall. Hey, let's see it. I mean, we've okay. Philip, I want to put some things on your radar though. All right, so gathering all the information. So good news. It looks like we're about to cross up on the 13 and 48 EMAs on the 1 hour. We are like right here on the edge of being overbought on the 1 hour on AMD. And then here, let's see. Let's look at the 4. But on the 4 hour, we're chilling kind of on the RSI. We're like right there in the middle. We're still crossed down on the RSIs. And then yeah, as of right now, on the 4 hour, we're not looking so hot. But if we drop down to the 30, hey, we're looking great. 1 hour, we're looking great. But one thing you'll also see sometimes is you'll get kind of a retest of that EMA after you kind of get that cross up before it goes up. So also be aware of that. Lucky J with the men in black. Time for my work hiding bathroom lunch break. Euro market closing. Hakeem got me laughing, man. For real, I'm tired. I'm selling. I already made. Hey, oh yeah, if you made profit, yeah, go on. It's like I had stopped trading whenever I was overnight. All right. So it looks like, hold up, I'm still gonna, I might let the SPY do what it's gonna do. Let me go back up to a 1 hour or whatever. Yeah, I think I might let my contract ride. I'll just see how it does. Because this 590 kind of area is a level of resistance. We'll see how the day goes. And then we got 2 minutes till Euro close. Honestly, I have more reason for us to go up. I want us to go up more than I want us to go down. And I want to kind of look back up at Tesla. Tesla at this, it looks like Tesla at like 400 would be, looks like about 400 would be resistance. Or here, let's see. Think I should get out of my put for Apple. I mean, it could play out. It's just right now not much is going on. It's like I wouldn't get in a put right now. It's like maybe if I had rode it through this, I might it's like I might still hold, but as of right now it's not like anything I'm too enticed by. Oh, nice outdoor people. Oh, what's up, Colin? Are you going to Run Club tomorrow? Just out of curiosity. All right, let's see. Palantir is upper EMA. Isn't this a signal of going? Here, let's take a quick look at Palantir. Let's look at where Apple is. Yeah, I didn't even have my EMAs on over here. So not on the 1 hour. Oh, that's a bet. I might have to go. Yeah, I had a couple people already ask me, yo. Probably come through, see what's up at the Run Club. Lucky J, let's see. Expiring today up to 160. Wait, what were we talking about? Oh, nice. Yeah, what's that, like 400 or 500%? You said 23. Hold up. That's like 500+%, right? Hey, that's solid money right there. All right, so we just got European close. All right. Hey, it's looking like we might be out of here. But yeah, the Palantir, we got the cross up on those. Let's see if we get some kind of like pullback. But otherwise, yo, it's just, hey, bullish. I've noticed I'm selling mostly to offset any losses by realizing 8% of my gains. I have noticed I'm selling mostly to offset any losses. So I don't know. There are some stocks that I'm up a good amount on, and it's like, I don't know. It's like after a certain point, I'm like, yo, let me take profit, and then I kind of just leave that profit on the side to like buy whatever is like oversold and like undervalued. So let's see. Bull flag on 5 minute on Palantir. If it can get past 79.20. Hey, honestly, just looking at this 4 hour candle alone, I would say if it closes out like this, yo, it's probably gonna at least move up to 82. Palantir is looking really good, really strong. You definitely suggested that in your videos. Hey, appreciate you, D community. Second week trading. Welcome, young grasshopper. Early in the new year. That it is. I just took the $11 profit. Hey, nice. Not risking anything on 0 DTE. Wish I could say the same. Hold up. But that's wise, Philip. Can't believe it turned around. I thought it was asking for an L. Hey, way to ride it though. Way to ride it to the dub. I'm still like down 4%, but it'll come back. That's gonna be some money right there. All right, so how's SPY looking for the rest of the day? Honestly, right now I got this trade I'm losing on, but I would say if it gets above this area right here, I would say it could go to like 592. That would be my next kind of like larger target for it. Yeah, I want to take a look at the Qs real quick. Okay, so the Qs is like retesting this trend line. Let's yeah, the Qs is trying to make some moves too. Let's see where Nvidia is. Yeah, it looks like we're going for it. The rest of the day looks pretty bullish, or at least right now. It's like things could completely turn around. It is a Friday, but that's gonna be a. Come on, Palantir, y'all better stop second guessing me. Yeah. Let's see, where's Palantir at? Yeah, Palantir 79.30. Yeah, that's money right there. Hey, and honestly, I would say if it gets above 79.50, hey, there is nothing in the way till like about 81.50. So there's about a $2 run right there you can go for. Got to put on Palantir. Yeah, it looks like if it holds up right here, then hey, it's it might be a wrap. Big crypto weekend. Hey, I'm here for it. Hey, yeah, good thing. Hey, good thing for the stop limit. Praying on Nvidia's downfall. Want to take profits to buy my new Ford Focus, but I won't, because I'll miss the XRP pump. Let's see. Let's look at XRP. Let's look at the volume. All right, so I'm preparing to like kind of get off and go exercise and stuff and eat. And I gotta like return a lot of things today. But here, let's look at the volume. Let's go to a 4-hour. How we looking? Let's go to a daily. I want to see how I want to see the volume get like this again. Go to a weekly. Here, I don't care about the RSI. Let's move that down. But yeah, I would like to see some more volume coming back in, because we got the volume kind of coming down on XRP. So yeah, if we can get some more volume coming in, hey, I'm all over it. Yeah, nothing in the way at all on that Palantir. You put in, honestly, what contract expiration? I usually like to go for 2 weeks out when I'm swing trading, but like right now I'm trading like a lot of different time frames and a lot of different things, so I'm just gonna say it depends. But like my favorite swing trades, like 2 weeks. Hey, peace out, Skittles. Good night. There you go, AMD. Oh, look at AMD. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I'm here for it. Hey, you said already in the gym. Yeah, I'm about to get in there. About to what's today? I think I need to do legs today, so haven't done legs this week, so we got to build a strong base. All right, I'm trying to see what's good. Move on Palantir now. So you heard Hakeem said he got that 80 for 2 weeks. It still looks like it's Still looks like it could go up, but oh yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, yeah. Have a good week, everyone, and an awesome week. Yo, that's gonna do it for today's stream. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for dropping by. The market is looking particularly bullish today. Last little kind of updates. SPY is currently above 590, which was kind of the resistance. So it's looking bullish. The Dixie is selling off a little today. We got the VIX dropping today. Watch that PCE creeping up slowly. Notice whenever this gets higher again, yo, we might be due for a drop. But as of right now, we're kind of chilling. So, hey, it is what it is. Yes, if you're reading these last few messages, as Philip said, be sure to smash the like button so that Hakeem does not hunt you down. He does have skills that you are not aware of. So be sure to smash the like button. And yes, I do swing trade the cheaper options. Like a lot of the ones you find on Derive, those are very similar to how I pick my options contracts. All right, so yes, you're very welcome. Hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.